Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a single photo from a group of photos. So here you can see I have these two photos which I have uploaded, and for example I want to delete a photo from these two. So for example, let's say I want to delete this photo, then I'll show you how to do this without actually deleting the complete post. So in order to do this, simply click on these three dots present at the top right corner of the post. Then you can see this option which says edit. Click here and then go to that particular photo which you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this photo right here. Simply click on this trash can icon at the below left corner, and you can see that this is giving me a warning that it will delete the media. So simply click on the delete button to proceed, and here you can see that now it's only a single photograph. So simply click on the stick mark icon at the top right and just wait for the changes to be applied, and here you can see that it is now just a single photo. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.